Most people get an eBay reselling business completely wrong because it all comes down to balancing immediate flexibility with long-term security. Let's look at the exact numbers together. Smart resellers check completed sold listings on their phone before spending a single penny on an eBay reselling business inventory. Checking sold listings before buying ensures you lock in a minimum 3-to-1 profit margin. Inspecting seam stitching and verifying authenticity tags protects you from listing counterfeit garments. Sourcing vintage cameras, specialized tools, and industrial parts carries massive markups and low competition. Buying clearance items out of season lets you flip them for maximum profit when peak season hits. Packing fragile, high-ticket items securely prevents transit damage and buyer disputes. Scanning clearance bins systematically uncovers hidden gems that unobservant shoppers can pass right over. Crafting keyword-rich listing titles with specific brand names, model numbers, and condition keywords boosts search views. Using tracked shipping services protects seller rating and resolves delivery queries automatically. Knowing platform seller protection policies ensures you handle rare dispute cases with total confidence. Establishing a consistent weekly sourcing schedule maintains a steady queue of new daily listings. When building a reselling strategy for an eBay reselling business, the key to consistent profit is targeting items with proven completed sales demand. Look for tested audio gear, retro gaming accessories, and sealed electronics at local car boot sales or charity shops. Providing clear multi-angle photos and accurate garment measurements helps you command a top asking price. Testing mechanical functions thoroughly before listing lets you describe items with total seller accuracy. Capitalizing on seasonal demand spikes in outdoor equipment, winter coats, and holiday collectibles can create fast sales. Always verify condition grading and seller authenticity before committing significant sourcing capital. Setting a strict maximum buy price keeps your profit margins protected on every transaction. Writing concise item descriptions with bulleted specifications answers buyer questions before they even ask. Accounting for eBay's final value fees, postage costs, and packaging materials guarantees true net profit per flip. Setting clear return policies and answering buyer queries promptly maintains excellent seller feedback ratings. Tracking your unit buy prices and net sales in a simple spreadsheet provides total financial clarity. Evaluating sell-through rate across recent listings ensures your capital isn't locked in a slow-moving stock. Focusing on high-turnover consumer electronics and vintage accessories allows you to flip inventory within 48 hours. Focus on verified luxury brands with intact care tags and clean zippers for maximum buyer interest. High-margin vintage gear continues to attract passionate buyers willing to pay premium prices. Monitoring search trend volume for seasonal items helps you list right when buyer urgency reaches its peak. Targeting rare trading cards, vintage board games, and out-of-print media brings in high-ticket profit payouts. Building relationships with local liquidators often leads to steady inventory streams before items hit public markets, so it's a good idea to take advantage of this. Offering promoted listings at competitive rates increases buyer impressions without destroying your margin. Weighing items in pre-packed boxes prior to listing prevents unexpected shipping cost surprises at checkout. Photographing high-value item serial numbers and packing processes protects you against false return claims. Organizing your inventory with clear storage bins makes picking and packing fast and error-free. Avoiding impulse buys and focusing strictly on high-margin categories protects your cash flow. Bundling compatible leads, chargers, or memory cards with tested devices increases your listing conversion rate. Branded sportswear, outdoor jackets, and designer footwear priced under £10 deliver massive returns. Simple cleaning or bundling missing power leads often doubles your resale value instantly. Timing your listings 2 weeks before peak season almost guarantees fast sales at full price.
Showcasing authentic serial numbers and edition marks in your photos attracts high-value collectors. Don't skip this. Arriving early at car boot sales and charity shops can give you first pick of undervalued stock. Get in early and beat other bargain hunters.
Utilizing all photo slots and filling out item specifics helps platform search algorithms feature your items higher. Batching your shipping dispatch saves time and reduces unit packaging expenses. Communicating professionally through official messaging channels creates an undeniable record for seller support. Reinvesting early profits into higher margin inventory accelerates your monthly reselling cash flow exponentially. Tracking unit buy prices, postage fees, and net sales in a simple spreadsheet gives you total clarity on your monthly profits. To recap our full strategy, disciplined sourcing, strict margin checks, and fast 24-hour dispatch lock in sustainable growth for an eBay reselling business. Take action today. Audit your home for unused items, order shipping supplies in bulk, and commit to listing 3 items daily to scale your eBay reselling business. You never know, it just might take off.
This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote get-rich-quick schemes. Sustainable wealth is a long-term marathon that requires discipline, education, and the management of financial risk. Always consult with a professional for personalized advice.